In this video, I'm going to show you how you could remove noise from video here within Premiere Pro. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to quickly remove noise from your video here within Premiere Pro, don't worry, I got you. The first thing that you're going to want to do is simply drag your clip onto the timeline. I've already done that. And as you can see, if I zoom into my footage a little bit, you'll see that it is kind of grainy and noisy. It's not the most grainy footage I've ever seen, but it's definitely not perfect. Let's go ahead and fix that. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the effects panel and just search up this immersive video section here. And then within here, if you scroll down, you should see a section that says VR denoise right here. Go ahead and click it and drag it onto your footage. And it's going to look a little strange at first. Go ahead and adjust those noise settings by going to the effect controls all the way up here. And you will see this VR denoise section within here. Under the noise level section, what you're going to want to do is just lower that value slightly by dragging or increasing it if you need to as well to bring back some of that like natural preference. Now, once again, since this clip wasn't too noisy, I only had to remove 0.03. But keep in mind, when you're doing this, that reducing smoothness will also reintroduce just a little bit of noise. So it's all about balancing to your specific preference. But that's it. Your video should now look a lot cleaner and a lot more professional. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.